Hi everyone, I'm Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. This is Oreo over here that you can see in the corner. And Zoe's actually in the other corner, but she's not coming out. Come over here, baby. Come say hi. Come say hi. So these are my pups. Zoe's actually my service dog. I'm disabled, and if anyone's interested in hearing more about my illnesses, I would be happy to share that with you. I've never talked about it in these videos, but might be something that you're interested in. So anyway, the point of this video is to do another mystery unboxing. And I ordered yarn from a place called Little Knits in Seattle. And I just got my package. They do say not to use blades. And as you can see, it is stuffed to the gills. So I'm going to very carefully open this with my scissors. This always makes me nervous. Okay, success. So the choices that they had were for their cakes, and I did their Superwash. That's right. So it was Superwash, and it could be any colors. And then this is packaged really tight. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And then this is their Whirligig. Oh my gosh. So I will take these out and give you all of the information. I am really excited about the colors that I got because these are just fabulous. Like, these are my colors. And oh my goodness. Oh, I am so excited about this because I had no idea what they were going to send me. And this is so perfect. So let's open them up and see what I received. Okay, I'm redoing my filming because in my viewfinder, you could see much lower on my body than what you could see when I looked at the video back. So I'm going to redo. I left obviously the part of showing you where I opened it, but I'm going to redo showing you the yarn because I was holding it too low and you were not able to see it, even though to me it looked like you could see it. So this, I'm going to repeat what I had said about the yarn. It's 100% superwash wool, and it's 220 yards. It's actually called Cascade Yarns 220 Superwash. You can read that. I don't know if I can get closer. And this is color number 1923. And they are all number 3 yarn. And this is a gorgeous burgundy color. It's a shame because in the first video you got my actual reaction of when I opened it, but I can tell you that I love these colors. This is a gorgeous, like, burnt orange color. This would make a fabulous, fabulous sweater. And this is color 297, and it's the same one, 100% superwash wool. They're not super soft. They're soft, but there is, I mean, it's wool, so it can only get so soft. This one is like a peachy color, and it's color number 289. Real pretty color. And beautiful red. It's a brighter color than that other one. This is more burgundy, I guess, and this is more like a classic red. And this one is color number 1922. And this is I guess like a taupe or darker beige color, color 818. Also very, very pretty. And then these jewel colors are my absolute favorite. I received 2 of color 900. Beautiful gray. Just a gorgeous charcoal gray that staple for any wardrobe. Purple, my favorite. 803. Gorgeous jewel tone. This beautiful lavender is color 840. These would look nice together too. These all have 220 yards or 200 meters, and they are 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. And this beautiful pink is color 894. And they are all machine wash, tumble dry, just gorgeous. And then I received 5 skeins. I have 2 of them out. This is their whirligig, and whirligig is 60% superwash merino wool, 20% nylon, 20% acrylic, 200 grams or 7.05 ounces, 546 yards or 500 meters. And this is, what number are you? Okay, they're recommending a US 5 or 6, so 3.75 to 4 millimeter, either hook or needles. And I'm guessing that this is also a 3. I don't know, maybe a 2? It doesn't say. It just tells you what they're recommending. So probably more like a 2, I would think. Although, see, now up here it looks thicker. Maybe not. Somewhere between a 2 and a 3. They're recommending a 3.75 or a 4 millimeter hook for this. So somewhere I'd say between a 2 and a 3. And this is all the same colorway. It's color 19, and they just wound them all differently. So this one has the gray in the center, and then this one has that blue in the center, but they're all the same, those same jewel tones, purple, like a teal, and then a blue, and then like a bluish purple, and purple on the outside, and the gray. And the same thing here, and they're all color number 19, but just wound differently. So I think what I might do with the whirligig, Tiffany Hansen has a really nice blanket on her channel that she did with, I think she did it with Karen cakes. So I'm gonna have to check the size and see if it's the same or not. But I know she used 5 balls or 5 cakes to do her blanket, and hers was in more neutral colors. It was like taupes and beige, ivories, things like that. So these obviously are more jewel colors, but I love these colors, and this would make a wonderful blanket. I don't know that I would be into it as like a sweater or something, just with all the different colors in it. I don't know, maybe. I'm leaning more towards possibly ordering more of this gray. This would be a gorgeous sweater, although you could make, with 2 balls of it, you could make a nice shawl out of this. So maybe I'll do that with this. And then this burnt orange color just screams sweater to me. But I might actually, instead of knitting with it, I think I might do a crochet sweater, because I'm of that age where I'm hot all the time, and I think that I would do better with something that's more open. And now that I'm looking at this, this is a number 4. So, okay, so some of these are 3s. These jewel tones are they all 3s? No, they're all different. All right, let me go back then, because I thought that they were all 3s. And now the label just popped out on here, and this is a 4. So this one was a 4. This one's a 3. This one's a 3. Okay, I think most of them were 3s, and I just have a couple of 4s in here, and that's what happened with that. This one doesn't even say. It's a 3. Yeah, these are 3s. Okay, so these darker colors are the 4s. These are all 4s, and the rest were all 3s. Interesting. I didn't notice that on my first go around with them. Yeah, and then these are all 3s. So these are all 3s, and then those other ones were all 4s. And these don't say, but I'm guessing because of the recommendation for a 3.75 millimeter or a 4 millimeter, I'm guessing that this is somewhere between a 2 and a 3. So, but I love that it's machine wash, tumble dry, absolutely fabulous. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I apologize, I don't even remember what I said in the first go around that I forgot to say on this one. That's kind of what happens when you're making videos though. In my viewfinder, I can see, like, not my lap, but I can see much lower on the sofa. Like when I was telling you about the dogs being here, you could see Oreo, and then when I played it back to look at it, you couldn't see him. So I'm not sure where the cutoff line is exactly, but I'll know now for next time to hold things up higher for sure. So I apologize for that, but I'm glad that I caught it in time to redo it for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this was from Little Knits in Seattle. I'll leave their information below in the description box. And as I had said, if you would like to know any more information about me personally, leave that below in the description box, in the comment section, not description box, that's for me, for you to leave it in the comment section, or any questions that you have, and I will get back to you as far as that. And please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Share this video with a friend that you think would be interested in it. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.